we're going to drop into Mickey's Toontown. The last time I was here, they were still doing construction on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It is open, so let's go check it out. Population, crazy packed. I love the tea, because the tea's my boy, Pluto. And here we go. Entering the world of tunes. And there it is, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I really like the front aesthetics of it, like a movie theater. It's no man's Chinese theater, but I think it works perfectly into the theme here in Toontown. Where else would you put this ride? We got this new fountain here that they put right in front. Kids get to splash around in it. Looks pretty cool. I like it. All right, 55-minute wait, but we're doing it because I haven't done it here yet in the Capitoon Theater. Now, I know that the queue for this line is very, very different than the one in Florida, but I hear it's really awesome. Hi, can I get a ticket, please? Well, okay, I'll just take your word for it. This way? This way. I do like that this queue is all indoors because it's hot out there. So we have all the regular movies, but they've been toonified. Toonies instead of Newsies. Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse. And I shrunk the nieces. We have Goofy Friday instead of Freaky Friday. What else we have over here? The absent-minded Professor Von Drake with my boy Pluto there. And then, of course, our main event here, the perfect picnic. You're the star, Pluto. You're the star. We love you. It's all about you. Remember, it was all started by a mouse. Little nod to Steamboat Willie, his wheel right there. Looks like we're celebrating Mickey's birthday. It's really important to know that this is a prop cake. It's not real. Trust us. We've tried it. Yep, they're right. It's not real. You guys remember this cartoon? Oh, I remember this one from my childhood. Chip and Dale getting into mischief. And these guys, oh, Chip and Dale. Hello? Oh, hi. The 70s is calling. Got some Mickey and Mickey disco. It looks like Goofy's hat's a little tied up at the moment. Oh boy. That looks unsafe. Oh, look at this concession stand. How cool is this? All of these delicious treats that we can't eat, but they make it look like a movie theater. When was the last time you spent only $11 on a movie theater? There's some popcorn over here, and it actually smells like popcorn. Oh boy, somebody spilt the ketchup and the cheese. There's some mustard. They didn't spill the mustard. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. What's going on there? Some extra hot sauce.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're gonna make it happen.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect picnic.
Hi, Goofy.
Well, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're gonna get any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you later.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork, but sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Alright, throw some money then I guess. Have fun in the cartoon.
This is my favorite ride. Oh, so this is so cool. I was
Runaway train.
Runaway train.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hi, folks. Thanks for picking me up. You sure you can do that? Works where we're waiting. What could possibly go wrong?
I must have hit that track switch.
Oh no, here's the waterfall! Hold your breath! Let's dance.
Come. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's
Oh no! back of the train.
Yes, I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. If you don't have any other plans, well, hey, Picnickers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I think
What's this lever do?
What'd you guys think? I thought that that was so cool. But it's the end. Honestly. Now I've been on the one here in Disneyland and the one in Florida, and I gotta tell you, I like this one more. The ride itself is identical, but the queue alone, for me, makes it better because I feel like you're fully engulfed in the whole Toon movies. 10 out of 10. This was awesome. 55-minute wait. We only waited 35 minutes, so I call that a win. Of course, you exit here into a gift shop in true Disney fashion. But everything, the line, even the gift shop, the little train right up here. How cool is that? The animation, the level of detail, so awesome. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. Have you been on this ride? And if not, when are you coming? All right, wifey, tell me, you've been on the one in Florida, you've been on the one here. Which one do you like more?
They're the same. Well, I like them both. I mean, the one here, you don't. When you're waiting, you're not in the sun. Disney, Florida, you're like in the heat. Here, you're in the cold. You're in the AC place.
You know, that's very true. Florida, you gotta wait in the heat.
In the heat.
But here, it's like nice and air conditioned.
Yep.
Good point. Good point.
Not bad. I actually liked it.
I really like it. I like this one more though.
The queue is different.
The queue is different. I like this one more. Which one do you guys like more? Let me know in the comments down below. Which one do you like more and why? If you had as much of a magical day as I did, do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel. Click on that bell notification icon and give it a big thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Lots more to come. 2 whole weeks in Walt Disney World, a whole week at the Riviera, another week at the Grand Floridian, and a whole week on board the brand new Disney Treasure. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you had a magical, magical evening, and I will see you on the next adventure. Take care of yourselves, and of course, each other. Peace.